Hey guys, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. You know, I've been working on this side windows on the van. I'll show you here. So these windows here, I never really liked what I did on the inside with this. As you can kind of see, I put this this trim stuff on here. It's called Trim Bright, and you know, it just kind of clips over. It's not the greatest. I don't think it looks the greatest. So we're gonna get rid of this. Hopefully we can clean off the yellow. We're going to replace it with solid oak. And it's been kind of a challenge. I'll show you what I'm doing here. So this one here, I worked on yesterday. I made a lip on the back side of this. And I'll show you how I made this because I'm making the second one right now. And here it is. On the back side, what I did is I just cut out the outside profile of the lip first. And then I glued that on here. Clamped it in place with these guys all the way around. And then I just bought these pieces here, which are 1/2 inch wide and 1/4 inch thick. And so I just glued those in between those two pieces. And now what I'll do is I'll just cut this off around this line. So we'll get going on that right now. Peeled off that edging already. And, so this thing fits in there like that, see, but it's not tight. Now down here, it's tight. It's tight to the wall down here, that's good. So, but up here it's not. But part of the problem is these two little clips here that are used to hold the screen in. So I'm just gonna take those out for a minute. Gotta come up with something better than that to hold the screen, I think. Maybe this thing will hold the screen. Probably will. So, okay, so pretty tight at the bottom, pretty tight all the way around at the bottom now. Tight here, pretty loose over there. See, so this is the B, the back, right? And that's the top. Or is it?
I have no idea.
I don't either.
How would I know?
So back here was 0, and then up here it was 1/8 of an inch. Well, I got them all finished here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the back of my pickup truck for the day to kind of bake them. It's supposed to be like 70 degrees today. They turned out pretty good though. So maybe I'll just let the light get at them for a while. You know, and then I'm gonna close the back of the truck and just let them bake in there for the day. But right now the sun's not even up yet, but it's supposed to be a warm day, so it'll probably get to be 100 degrees in here. Be like an oven. I knew knew that the double stick tape would hold to this. This is really a vinyl, because I did that piece the same way right there all the way around. Well, I'm excited. Success! That looks really good. This is our little window cover that we made before. And I had to cut it down for this, but we'll put the binding back on it again. And then if you want, you can open it up halfway and it just Velcros back there, and then you can have the window open. See? Yeah. Kerry Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. Yeehaw. It worked. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.